The videos I make with a lot of effort and a lot of passion for natural health. I would really appreciate it if you like this video or subscribe to my channel. In the quest for relief, various remedies have emerged. Below, we'll detail several effective options, including herbal remedies, over-the-counter solutions, and lifestyle changes. 1. Honey. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. Its soothing properties make it a go-to option for treating dry cough. Benefits of honey. Natural soothing agent. Honey coats the throat, reducing irritation. Antioxidant properties. Contains antioxidants that may aid in overall health. Dosage. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey before bedtime for optimal results. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can provide relief for a dry cough by soothing the throat. Benefits of ginger. Anti-inflammatory. Reduces throat irritation. Boosts immunity. Supports the immune system to fight off infections. Preparation. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 minutes. Add honey for added sweetness. 3. Throat lozenges. Throat lozenges can provide immediate relief by lubricating the throat and suppressing the cough reflex. Recommended ingredients: menthol, eucalyptus oil, honey. 4. Humidifiers. Using a humidifier can greatly alleviate dry cough symptoms by adding moisture to the air. Benefits of humidifiers: reduces dryness, keeps airways moist, improves sleep quality, helps reduce nighttime coughing. 5. Over-the-counter medications. There are several over-the-counter (OTC) medications designed specifically for dry cough relief.